manual.
Mm-hmm.
This one goes at the front.
So should he do a test on the legal as well while he's there, or no?
Yeah.
Unless it's, I mean, certainly if it's set up that
Yeah,
way,
so
but-
whatever it's, I mean, the paper pack test is gonna go through, is gonna go through all of it.
But if they're all set up for standard, they should still run a test on the legal, just change
Yeah.
it, right?
Yeah, so for the
make sure
paper
they're not
pack
leaving
test, paper pack test, all trays are loaded.
Yeah.
One thing you'll notice when they actually, like I said before, the other one, this one we get to has the fingers, it's gonna know what paper size is in there.
Right.
This one, when I close, when I should be loading the paper when the printer's already up and ready. When I close the door, it still has a sensor that says, okay, the door's closed. It's
Yeah.
going to say, okay, tray 4 plain letter. That's what I had in there. Good.
Right.
But, you know, if they had letter in here and they closed it, and it's going to come up and it's going to go tray 3 legal, and they put letter in there, that's your, so Faraday, when you close the tray, then you've got what's in there on this model. And that's why I put a few spots inside of the document there for the 5 series in specific where it doesn't have those sensors. I say it because, and I put it in there because that is a failure point. It will fail. Okay, so paper pack test is in the document under support tools, troubleshooting, diagnostic tests, paper pack test. Now you can actually go in and believe it's got all trays. And I'll put one side you can do. Basically going to print one page from each one. Now to do it like a two-sided, you can do the same test within here. I can then just go, okay, so tray 2's got the letter in there. I'm going to go tray 2. I'm going to do 4 copies. And I'm going to do two-sided. Two-sided cannot set to on and source tray. Yeah, I didn't. Oh, I have to go down. I have to go back into it. So paper path test. Tray 2. Actually, I think in my document I had that. Yeah, I have to go all the way out. Might even make it where the scan test is the two-sided. Maybe just adjust that document slightly. Troubleshooting, diagnostic tests. Actually, it doesn't let me change it to this. Try to. This is a blank. Yeah, I'm gonna put it in as the two-sided test should be from the scan. That's it. Okay, so from the copy test, so we would test the scanner glass over here. Just click on the copy. We change this one-sided to two-sided. Output two-sided. One copy, copy. So take this one-sided document, take it through, it'll print it on both sides of the paper. So basically now we've tested, make sure it can print from all trays. We know there's no issue with the way it's set up. There's no jamming. We know that there's nothing wrong with the duplex assembly, so when we print duplex, it uses a different paper path. From a printing standpoint, this is good, right? So that's their final sanity check. That from a printing standpoint, it's good. Anything else beyond this has got nothing to do really with the physical setup of the printer. If there were any other issues that they see on the back end, they have to fix that through a configuration, but nothing from what they would have to do here. The last test is really the end user. Okay, can you send a print job? Mm-hmm. So they've already called, I guess, they call the Zoom room, right? Once they get on site, say, I'm replacing, printer X. Right? So the back end guys are going to be changing the print queue, updating the driver, so it's ready and set for the new printer. While they're actually doing that, they're taking the old printer to one side, connecting this printer, plugging everything in, doing their functional tests while they're doing that stuff in the back end, right? So it gives them time to do their functional tests, make sure everything's all good, it's powered up, booted up, ready to go. Then we have, we call back, I think you call back into the Zoom room, they say, oh, it's done, or the Zoom room guys will, if you're not already still on the line, like, okay, that one's done, and we can move on to the next one. So we're doing a site where there's 2, 3, 4, 10 printers. We do one at a time because we're doing it during business hours. We don't disconnect everything. Okay, just wait for printing. Come back in a couple of hours and print. Won't fly. So we do one. Once we validated that the customer can print to it, they've tested. They sent themselves an email. If there's any other little icons, they can. At that point, whether that equal icon or not is working, they can fix it in the back end if it won't. But print and scan to email is good. The fax test, like I said, if you follow that process in that document there, it shows you how to do the fax. Everything now at this point is good. You can take that old unit out, drill the drive. Don't drill the drive till you got validation that this one's good.
And before I'm plugging the other unit, because you have to plug it into here, can you just walk us through how to print that last page that comes out of the printer?
Yeah, so that was actually this configuration page.
Same thing, so you would go through the
same thing. It might be under a different button sequence, but it's exactly the same thing. It's the configuration page. I can show you on afterwards on your printer, because that's what you would typically be taking out is either one of those older printers or one that's very similar to this, but maybe just it's that's old, and there's a step up, an older version of this, and then this is the brand new version. Typically, you're not going to be taking, so you're going to know a FutureSmart 3 or Oz, which is some of those old ones there, that doesn't have this fully functional color tablet type. It would be a smaller face, but the same thing. Again, it says, hit this button, hit this button, hit this button.
And do you suggest we do that and then call into the Zoom room and come on site, or just print the print page for this?
Yeah. So there your work order should say the serial number, the model, the IP of the device that's coming out. Right. So one is the serial number can well and truly be on the configuration page, right? So it actually has the serial number. May not always be 100% correct. It could have all X's on the configuration page because somebody did a reset and didn't update. You would always validate from the actual physical device. So depending on the model, the serial number may be on the back. It may be inside the cavity where the toner goes. Where the toner goes on a color one might be in the front door, but you're going to see that this one's right here. You're going to see some form of a label, and it's going to say something like SN. Mm-hmm. I'll show you what it's not, like on that old device there, where you think it's the serial number, but that's actually just for a scanner piece and not the actual printer.
We live this life. So
right,
thousands of printers come through here, all need to be validated by serial number and asset tag.
Yeah.
And so we've already been through, that's not the
Crazy.
serial number.
Yeah.
That's
Yeah.
the serial
They
number.
may have labels on these old printers that you're taking
Yeah.
out that may not be
Still
right.
not right.
Yeah.
This-
Could be
somebody
10
just
years
did
old,
that
but it's
little
moved around all over the place.
Yeah.
But for the most part, yeah. So between a sequence of things, you're gonna know it's the right device. So IP serial number, physical serial number, internal configuration, IP. And so when you put the configuration for the first page, and I actually put a picture of this in there, so you can actually see what it looks like. Right? So serial number, yeah, may or may not be correct. If it is, then move on. You don't need to go searching for the serial number, right? If you're doing a site that's like lots of printers, you may or may not have like a map of those of where the printers are. If I've done I do some on-site discovery and design. So if I do that, then I've actually